Now that we have all our collection sets and our collections created, we'll show you how to administer them. To rename or delete a collection set or a collection, simply right-click on it and you have the option to rename or delete it from this menu. Another interesting thing we can do is we can export a collection as its own catalog. So for example, I've right-clicked on the BMW collection and I'm going to go to export this collection as a catalog. From there, I just give this catalog a name and I'll click the Export Catalog button. So that catalog is exported and I can go ahead and open it by going to File, Open, and selecting the catalog that was just created. Lightroom will ask if I want to relaunch with this catalog. I'll click Relaunch. And this is the backup prompt that we configured earlier. Remember, I'd asked Lightroom to back up the catalog every time I close Lightroom. I don't want it to do it right now, so I have the option to skip this. I'll click Skip this time. So here's our new catalog with the images that were in the BMW collection. I'll go back to our previous catalog, File, Open, Recent, and it's Catalog 1. So again, I have to relaunch Lightroom. And here's our original catalog. Now, one other thing to point out here is, as you can see, the BMW collection is still here with all its images. Exporting a collection doesn't remove it from the original collection. Everything else stays the same. Now, to delete an image from a collection, you can simply right-click on it and remove from collection. If you wanted to remove multiple images from the collection, hold the Shift key or the Command key and select each image you want to remove and do the same thing. A shortcut method to removing them is to just press the Delete key on your keyboard. To add an image to a collection, we can go back to All Photographs. One way to add it is to just drag the thumbnail of the image you want to add onto the desired collection. So for example, if I wanted to add image 21 here into my fall collection, I just drag it over and let go. And you can see that it's now in the fall collection. I don't actually want it in there, so I'm going to click on it and I'm going to remove it.